Welcome back, tech lovers. If you use a Samsung phone, you're sitting on powerful features most people never even notice. In today's video, we're revealing the best hidden Samsung One UI features for 2026 that can upgrade your phone experience, boost productivity, and unlock smart tools you should be using right now. Let's dive in. Hidden Feature 1. Change default apps. Samsung lets you choose which apps open your links, calls, messages, and browser pages by default. This is perfect if you prefer using other apps instead of Samsung's built-in ones. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, then select Choose Default Apps. From here, you can change your browser, caller ID app, digital assistant, SMS app, and more. For example, if you prefer using Chrome instead of Samsung Internet, simply tap Browser app and select Chrome. It only takes a second and gives you full control over your experience. Hidden Feature 2. Battery Protect. Want your battery to stay healthy for years? Samsung includes a hidden battery-saving tool called Battery Protection. Go to Settings, then Device Care, tap Battery, and open Battery Protection. You'll usually see options like Basic, charges normally. Adaptive, learns your routine and delays full charging overnight. Maximum, limits charging to around 80%, charging to 100%. Daily, can slowly wear out lithium batteries over time. Maximum mode helps reduce long-term battery stress. Best for users who plan to keep their Samsung phone for multiple years. Hidden Feature 3. Dual Messenger. Need two accounts for the same app? Samsung makes it incredibly easy. Go to Settings, then Advanced Features, then Dual Messenger. You'll see supported apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Telegram, and more. Turn on the one you want, tap Install, and Samsung creates a second version of the app, perfect for personal and business accounts. Separate work and family chats, managing multiple social profiles. No third-party cloning apps needed. Hidden Feature 4. Edge Panels. One of Samsung's most underrated tools is Edge Panels. Go to Settings, then Display, scroll down, and enable Edge Panels. A small handle will appear on the side of your screen. Swipe inward to open a shortcut panel filled with apps, contacts, clipboard history, reminders, calculator tools, and more. Why it's useful? Faster app launching, better multitasking, great for one-handed use. Quick access from any screen. Once you start using it, it becomes hard to live without. Hidden Feature 5. Circle to Search. This is one of Samsung's smartest AI-powered features. Go to Settings, then Display, then Navigation bar, and enable Circle to Search. Now, when you see anything on screen, text, clothing, products, objects, or landmarks, just long press the navigation bar or gesture area, then circle the item. Samsung instantly shows search results without leaving your current app. Great for identifying products, translating text, shopping for styles, learning about places, searching screenshots instantly. It saves time and feels futuristic. Hidden Feature 6. Call background customization. Incoming calls don't have to look boring. Open the phone app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, then select Call Background. You can customize incoming call screens with wallpapers, color themes, or even short videos. Bonus tip: use a short motion video for a premium animated effect every time someone calls. It's a simple feature, but it adds personality to your device. Hidden feature 7. Lock photo album. This is one of the most important privacy tools in Samsung Gallery. Open the Gallery app, tap the menu icon, go to Settings, then About Gallery. Tap the gallery version number multiple times until Gallery Labs activates. Go back, open Gallery Labs, scroll down and enable Albums Entry Lock. Now restart Gallery, press and hold any album, tap More, then choose Lock Album. When someone tries to open that album, Samsung will request password PIN, fingerprint perfect for private photos, documents, or personal memories. Hidden feature 8. Secret camera tools. Samsung cameras are packed with advanced features many users ignore. Open the camera app and tap More at the bottom. You'll find Pro Mode, Manual ISO, Shutter Speed, Focus Pro Video, Advanced Video Controls, Night Mode, Brighter Low Light Shots, Food Mode, Richer Meal Photos, Single Take, Multiple shots and styles in one tap. Also tap the gear icon for camera settings like grid lines, watermark, tracking autofocus, and HEIF, high efficiency photos. If you enjoy photography or content creation, these tools are game changers. Samsung phones are full of hidden power. You just need to know where to look. Which hidden feature was your favorite today? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips, Android tricks, and 2002 tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.